Yo, that's Bruce Wayne right there. That's badass, man.
We had to stop for some fuel for both ourselves and the GTS. Oh, Reed was right. He said over 70. I said under. It's the weekend! Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're making a car clean, specifically this 1975 Mercedes 450 SL. Beautiful car, beautiful color. It is a little dirty today, so what we have is a little surprise. Let me show you. This is the GloveBox starter kit. GloveBoxRX.com. I've never seen any detailing stuff like this, any product anyway. So the cartridges, it mentions with the starter kit, you can get reordered and I guess make more product, which is sweet. So it's a super cool concept. We're gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys and we're actually going to clean this entire vehicle. So let's get right to it. Your daily dose of car care. Refill, reload, and reuse. So the sprayer, it comes with 4. Let's see what's actually in here because I am curious. So for the actual product, it comes with 4 sprayers, 4 microfibers, each towel specific for the product. So the waterless wash we're gonna do on the entire car first. This is not heavily soiled, mostly just pollen. Obviously the paint is not in perfect condition. There are some swirls, but we're making the car clean today. We're not doing a full paint correction. So per the instructions here, it looks like we fill with water, insert the cartridge, and then just tighten it, which is cool. Super easy. That's all the instruction really is. There are directions for each one of the products on the back side of this little instruction piece. We're gonna use all of these today. First, the waterless wash, then we're gonna do the glass, followed up with the interior cleaner and the spray wax. Here we have each individual cartridge. It looks super cool, by the way. So ever since I got this in the mail, I've been waiting to do this. Drop the cartridge in, feed one of the sprayer nozzle boys through here, and then here's where the magic happens. Let's all watch together. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. It literally just releases this stuff. And then I'm assuming you maybe give it a little shake. All right, so let's actually use this. If you want to look at the directions, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory for the waterless wash, but let's see, 1 to 2 sprays on a 2x2 area. Flip. Using light pressure so we don't scratch the paint any more than it already is. But that's easy. Nothing left over, no residue, no streaking. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire car now. Again, contamination's pretty light. This car is garage kept, so it doesn't need a huge cleaning. But this is gonna help it look much, much better. Applying light pressure because the contamination isn't too bad, mostly just pollen. This is my dad's car. Speaking of, Father's Day is coming up and this stuff makes a great gift if you guys wanna spoil your dad, spoil your kids. I'm excited to see what the spray wax does as well. All right, let's keep moving on. At this point, the car has been completely cleaned with the waterless wash and it's looking good. Man, this red just pops when it's clean. If you guys don't already have a waterless wash, highly recommend because I live in an apartment complex and my car gets pollen on it all the time. Even if I wash it for a weekend, like a Cars and Coffee or something like that, pollen, dust, everything just piles up. And I don't wanna go get another car wash, so this stuff is a really good alternative. Let's go ahead and do the glass. So this car does have windows. Just gotta get them up. Oh yeah, this glass has seen better days for sure. So we're gonna do the same thing with this guy. Oh, that one's cool. I love the blue. Glass is looking good as new. Got both sides of the side windows and then of course both sides of the windshield. So we're gonna move on to the interior cleaner. Now this car has 200,000 miles on it. We're gonna go to work on this and see see what we can do about all the leather surfaces. This interior cleaner says it works on interior fabrics, leather, vinyl, and plastic trim. So we're gonna hit all that on the inside, see what this stuff does. Just a couple sprays. So we'll get it all nice and primed up. Oh. This is after doing one seat and one door. Whoa, all right, back to it. This towel, which was once white, looks like this. So the cleaner obviously did its job quite well. If you guys like this car as much as I do, you'll be very happy to hear it's actually going up for sale. So if you guys want this exact car, let me know. For the spray wax, same deal as before as far as the water and the cartridge. Plop it right in, give her a little twist. Oh, it's so sweet. That looks like a nice mixed beverage. For the spray wax, it comes with this plush microfiber, edgeless by the way. Very quality towels, I'm impressed. I'm gonna hit the whole car and then show you guys afterwards. Overall, super impressed with the stuff. We just wrapped up everything. Really, really cool concept, and I'm glad it worked out the way it did, because this car is looking nice. Again, paint correction needs to happen on this car for sure, but it is so clean now. I'm gonna take it out in the sun, get some good pictures, and man, I gotta list this car for sale now that it's clean. Take a step back and admire our work. Man, this thing looks so good now. And I'm so surprised those little cartridges worked out well. I mean, obviously they know what they're doing. It's a very convenient product. If you guys need to re-up and just order them on the go, you can do that as well. Super happy, super impressed with the product. If you guys want to pick this up, link will be in the description. You guys can check it out for yourselves. Ladies and gents, we are back finally after a very fun, action-packed weekend. Got the Benz all finished, cleaned, and gonna be listed for sale here very soon. So it hasn't quite hit the market yet. If you guys are interested in buying it, we might be able to work out a deal. So let me know if that's the case. But big thanks to GloveBox for sending that over. Benz finally looks amazing. Big, badass cruiser. That thing is so much fun. And it rides so smooth, too, for being almost 50 years old. That's crazy. So not only does it ride smooth, but it looks fantastic now. We just drove 4 hours back downstate yesterday, so a bit exhausted, honestly. The weekend took a lot out of me. Wanted to leave you guys with that nice cold start on the S5. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more content like this with this car, more modifications coming soon. I'll leave you with a little teaser or something back there that's going to be going on the front of the car. So stick around if you're new, subscribe, hit like for that algorithm, and until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.